Hey, bird enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of feathered friends. Today, get ready for a feathered adventure as we explore the wonderfully weird and wacky side of the avian kingdom. The first animal is the blue-footed booby. The blue-footed booby is a peculiar seabird, which is recognizable from its truly bizarre blue feet. The male have particularly brilliant blue feet, and in these courtship displays they flick and flap their feet to attract the females. The females, hence, observe the quality of the display in order to make a choice. Blue-footed boobies are also very good flyers and divers, but are very clumsy on land. Their webbed feet are built for swimming, not walking, so that they walk rather funny on solid grounds. Blue-footed boobies are known for their incredible nesting habits. They make their nests usually in large colonies on rocky outcrops or coasts. The next animal, the shoebill stork. The shoebill stork is a peculiar and even a little odd bird. The name of the shoebill derives from the bird's unique features, which is the enormous shoe-like bill. This species of stork is found in the central swamps and coastal wetlands of Africa, and places like southern Sudan, Uganda, and Zambia. It is a behemoth bill with intricate details that can be as sharp as an oversized Dutch wooden clog. Shoebill storks are mostly solitary species and are not found in large flocks. They often live alone or in pairs, and their territorial behavior assists them to coexist by minimizing competition for the wetland resources. Shoebills are not very vocal, though they can produce a rapid series of sounds that resemble a machine gun and are most famous for this noise. The next animal is the long-wattled umbrellabird. The long-wattled umbrellabird, in spite of its rather strange appearance, is a very curious forest bird that is found in the cloud forests of western Colombia and Ecuador, though the name wattlebird does not reveal much. The bird does have a long wattle hanging from between its legs. The wattle is a featherless, inflatable sac that the male bird uses in dance during courtship displays. In search of a mate, the male folds the furrow skin so that it looks like an umbrella, and then produces a series of booms. Wobbling the wattle from side to side into a mesmerizing display also accompanies the booming calls. The umbrella bird has a big size, with males being bigger than females. Adult males can weigh 600 grams and reaching up to 16 inches in size, with the long wattle makes them look unique. The next animal is the western Parotia. The western Parotia can be found exclusively in the mountain areas of Indonesia, particularly the Vogelkop Peninsula of West Papua. The male western Parotia is famous for its combination of intricate and highly ritualized courtship displays. During these performances, however, the males undergo quite a change in their outward appearance by displaying different decorations. They blow out their flank feathers, poke out their iridescent throat feather shields, and perform steps-like dances to attract females. The males have feathers on their head just like wires or antennae. These nuchal plumes are equipped with the brilliant blue eye spots and stand as the major element in the courtship dances. The next animal is the burrowing owls. The burrowing owls are a bit curious and strange. Burrowing owls find burrows and occupy them. They don't build nests of their own. They take over old burrows excavated by others, like prairie dogs and ground squirrels. Unlike nocturnal owls, burrowing owls are mostly diurnal, which means they spend their time being active during the day. We capture their activities such as hunting, sunbathing, or standing near their burrows' openings. The owl's long legs are quite rare among owl species. This allows them to run very fast when on the ground, capturing their prey such as the insects and small rodents. Burying owls are also known to be social birds. They form colonies which have several owls that live in the same nest. The next animal is the Maraboustor. The Maraboustor has a unique body and habit of standing erect with their legs apart. It is a scavenger bird, native to large parts of sub-Saharan Africa. A common feature that stands out is its bare head and neck, which has wrinkled dark gray or pinkish skin. The bird looks somewhat grotesque because of this. Marabou storks possess extremely long necks and legs and are, indeed, among the biggest flying birds there are in the world. They are opportunistic scavengers that eat all kinds of food, from carrion, garbage, to any other edible item they find. They are mostly found in human habitats and have thus sometimes been referred to as undertaker birds due to their feeding behavior. The next animal, the tufted puffin. The tufted puffin is an unusual and in a way a strange seabird with its appearance and behavior. Tufted puffins live mainly in the North Pacific, close to the coasts and islands. One of the most remarkable things about tufted puffins is their outstandingly big, colorful beaks. During the breeding season, the bills are colored in vibrant orange and become dull after the season. Tufted puffins are great flyers. They can fly long distances crossing the open seas, and their wings are not only used for flying, but also for swimming. The tufted puffins then undergo a molt migration during the time period following the breeding season. Meanwhile, they left their breeding colonies and spent several months at sea molting and not returning to land until the new feathers grew. The next animal is the magnificent Frigatebird. The magnificent Frigatebird is undoubtedly a peculiar and interesting bird species on account of several distinct characteristics and behaviors. The magnificent Frigatebird is found in the regions of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans, where it prefers living in tropical and subtropical environments. The body of a male magnificent Frigatebird is pure black and has a clear bright throat pouch that is bright red. The inflated throat pouch resembles a balloon, and it is a major feature of their courtship display. Magnificent Frigatebirds are referred to as sky pirates because they often harass other seabirds, pressuring the ill-fated birds to throw up and drop their food, which the Frigatebirds then grab in the air. The next animal is the Hoatson. The Hoatson, a peculiar and unique bird, is often observed in the Amazon basin, found in the countries of Brazil, Peru, and Venezuela. What makes the Hoatson quite special from the rest of the bird species is its digestive system. It is in a big crop in a chamber of fermentation where certain bacteria hydrolyze the plant material. This adaptation is comparable to the rumen in cows and helps the bird break down tough fiber and obtain nutrients from the plant material. The Hoatson is known as the stinkbird due to the foul smell it emits. This is the odor that is produced when its digestive system starts to undergo fermentation. There are those who say that the smell resembles manure. The last animal is the tawny frogmouths. The tawny frogmouths are indeed unusual and interesting birds found primarily in Australia. Their name derives from the wide frog-like mouths that they use to catch insects and small vertebrates. The tawny frogmouths also have perfect camouflage ability, which makes them blend into the tree bark. Their plumage imitates the tree bark, thus blending in with the surrounding. It, therefore, helps them remain undetected by predators and prey alike. The tawny frogmouths do not build traditional nests. The reproductive method of this species involves them laying their eggs on a platform of sticks that are loosely accumulated together. The pairs of the birds may stay in the same site for several years, and the nest is made larger with additional sticks on the structure each year. That's a wrap on our journey through the eccentric and extraordinary world of weird birds. If you enjoyed this avian adventure, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your favorite weird bird in the comments below. If you're hungry for more animal-related content, check out our other videos linked right here.